Hi, I'm Gina. I'm from California, originally from India. I was here for a month in September 2023 for Ashtanga 200 hours TTC. Had an amazing time. I came by myself. I didn't know I was going to leave with so many good friends and memories. The teachers have been amazing. We've had really world-class professional teachers, be it asana practice or pranayama or yoga philosophy, anatomy, kinesiology, the stuff that we've learned, including various forms of pranayama or meditation. It's just a lot that we've gone through in 1 month, but these are, even though it sounds like it's 1 month and a lot of things packed in, it's lessons and learnings for life. And the other thing that I want to definitely mention is it's just very diverse. Like, the food is amazing, the location is great, the weather is amazing because it's Mysore, and you will have a lot of fun. Come with an open mind. Yoga is not necessary. It's not about a perfect pose. It's about being comfortable and happy and calm in whatever pose you do, whether it's breathing or holding a crazy Marichyasana or Pincha Mayurasana, which I haven't yet gotten. But lots to learn and lots to keep practicing, and this is just the beginning of my journey. And I hope you guys, anybody who decides to think about this, think of it as an experience that you will hold on to and practice for life. Thank you.